Where do you live?
I live in a city. Do you live in a city or a village?
I live in Paris.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about a very useful question word by the name of where. We use where to ask question about a place. As an example, where do you live? Let's make more examples with where. Where are you from? I am from Afghanistan. Where do you live? I live in Herat. Where is my book? Your book is on the table. Where are the students? The students are in the class. Where does she work? She works in Apex Academy. Where did you go yesterday? I went to Apex Academy. Where is the nearest hospital? The nearest hospital is Mother's Hospital. Where can I find a taxi? You can find a taxi from taxi station. Where are we meeting today? We are meeting in a restaurant. Where should I sit? You can sit here. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was about where. Hopefully that you understand something new.